Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you C1280 Prospect, a shipping container house by Cargotecture, United States. Stay tuned to find out more about this unique shipping container home. Welcome back. The Prospect Container House is a double-wide two-story home made from four 40-foot high cube shipping containers, which are stacked 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs, creating a total of 1,280 square foot of habitable space. The containers are sheared horizontally to create a cantilever on the front, which serves as an entrance porch, and a sheltered rooftop terrace at the rear of the building. The house has a side entrance on the ground floor, which opens into an open-plan living room. The living room features an open L-shaped kitchen fitted with state-of-the-art appliances and enough under-the-counter and overhead storage cabinets. The open-plan living room has a cozy lounge space with a comfortable sectional couch, a custom-designed coffee table, and a beautiful floor mat to define the lounge area. There is a lovely dining space past the lounge area next to the kitchen that can comfortably sit two, ideal for a breakfast area as it overlooks the outdoors. A stylish bathroom in the middle has a toilet, a vanity, and a glass shower cubicle. Each bedroom is accommodated inside one container to reduce that feeling of confinement. The ground floor bedroom has a queen-sized bed with bedside lamps and is fitted with a good-sized window which floods the space awash with natural light, creating a feeling of openness and spaciousness. The interior is painted white to make the space appear bigger and brighter. The ground floor is fitted with hardwood flooring, while the upper floor retains the original container plywood floors to celebrate the marine history of the shipping containers. The spacious family room on the upper floor has a commodious couch where you can relax and watch TV with a home office next to it. This 1,280 square foot home has a 10-foot deck at the rear, ideal for private family outdoor activities. The exterior is painted the ochre well mural, which brings out the colorful and artistic side of this amazing container home. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are equally visible throughout the exterior, which brings out the industrial aesthetic of the design. The trees around the building helps to soften the industrial vibe of the design, while the additional roof is used to shield the containers from the harsh weather elements. Which part of this design appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.